How to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. Alright, first things first, open up your TikTok app on your phone. Grab a screenshot of the message that says your account got banned. Now, look for this button that says Appeal and give it a tap. Once you've hit that button, just hang tight for a moment while the appeal page loads up. Now, go ahead and upload the screenshot. After you've uploaded the screenshot, you'll see a spot where you can write a message to TikTok. Tell them what happened and politely ask them to unban your account. Oh, and don't forget to type in your email address. That way, they can get back to you about your appeal. Alright, once you've written your message and entered your email, hit the submit button. Sometimes, they might ask you to prove you're not a robot by completing a little test. If you see that, just follow the instructions. After you've submitted everything, you'll get a confirmation message saying they got your appeal. And that's it. After a short wait, TikTok will review your appeal and contact you via email with their decision. Hopefully, your account will be unbanned soon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, leaving a comment, and sharing this video with others who might find it useful. Thank you for watching.